Moltes gràcies a tots per venir. Em sento una mica com Raimon ara mateix. Aquesta cançó li dedicaré a papà perquè, com gran amant de la música que era, me'n recordo molt de quan l'acompanyava de bolos per tot Catalunya. Al cotxe sempre posava que si els Mustang, que si els Beatles, que si Everly Brothers. La gran part de la cultura musical que tinc li dic amb ell. I aquesta cançó, sempre que ell l'escoltava, deia: això és la cançó. I fa així. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get along. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. Well, you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little golden. Na 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 na. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, dig in. You're waiting for someone to perform with. And don't you know that it's just you who plays it cool by making his world a little golden. Na 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 na. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it I ara que jo acostumo a fer un petit joc, farem una batalla mujeres, hombres y viceversa. Mujeres, hombres. Començarem per les dones, evidentment, perquè jo soc un caballero com era ell. Així que, are you ready? Esteu preparades?
Yeah.
Està bé, no? Està bé. aneu escalfant les... Ah, que continuen. Jo callo. Vinga, homes, és el vostre torn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Una més? Per ser equitatius. Bueno, jo crec que... Ho deixarem en un empat, va, ho deixarem en un empat.